Something big is on the horizon at DJI, and it's not just a minor tweak. Today we're diving into the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, which seems poised to deliver a transformational upgrade. This appears to be the next major move in the world of ultralight drones. Recent rumors and insider teasers hint that DJI's 2025 release may very well redefine the category, with unmatched agility, intelligence, and aerial imaging capability. A sneak peek shared by filmmaker Mauro Tandoi labeled DJI Mini 5 Pro Work in Progress offers our first glimpses. Although brief, the footage suggests DJI's most advanced Sub-250G drone to date. With what appears to be a fresh frame design, re-engineered internals, and pro-grade components, experts say we may be watching the arrival of a true lightweight drone revolution. Unlike prior updates, this could be a complete generational leap. The teaser shows a mountain bike beside the drone, setting the tone for adventure, mobility, and high-end aerial creativity. It's folding, nimble, vented, aerodynamic, and fully aligned with DJI's iconic portable drone ethos. Early reports from drone analysts indicate the DJI Mini 5 Pro launch is scheduled for August 7, 2025, about a month earlier than many expected. That drop date aligns with heightened buzz around major new drone release cycles this year. One of the most significant revelations, a leaked FCC certification shows a new battery rated at 4,680 mAh and 33.5 Wh, considerably larger than Mini 3 or Mini 4 Pro batteries. That suggests flight endurance of up to 50 to 55 minutes, depending on conditions, making the Mini 5 Pro a flight endurance benchmark among Sub-250G platforms. Since this battery spec comes from official regulatory paperwork, the credibility is strong. It's not speculation, it's official. On the imaging front, rumors strongly suggest a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the largest ever packed into a Sub-250G drone. That promises game-changing low-light performance, expanded dynamic range, and sharp ultra-clear imaging. In the teaser, the gimbal appears larger and more exposed than prior models, with missing side gimbal covers, hinting at 360-degree style rotational capability. Similar to DJI's Mavic 4 or Osmo Pocket, this full rotation gimbal would unlock powerful cinematic possibilities, sweeping vistas, dynamic reveals, and creative pans without repositioning the drone body. Sensor enhancement extends to obstacle sensing. New front-facing LR sensor reportedly expands DJI's 3D infrared obstacle avoidance system to detect objects up to 25 m away with a 60 degrees field of view, optimized for low-light use. The drone's body shows bulges around sensors, likely housing upgraded detection hardware, without sacrificing gimbal mobility. DJI's internal hardware upgrades include new high-performance ventilated motors, likely the first in the Mini lineup, with integrated cooling for better wind resistance, improved efficiency, and perhaps even modest payload support. A welcome practical update: quick-release propellers, ditching fiddly screw-based installations. That's a workflow improvement for users in the field. DJI is reportedly adding 32 GB onboard storage, ideal for capturing content even if you forget the memory card, something many users can appreciate. Also returning is the robust O4 transmission system, covering up to 20 km range, with support for RC2, RCN3 smart controllers, DJI Motion Controller, and even DJI Goggles 3 for immersive FPV experiences. Additional features include voice-activated flight commands, a dedicated flight mode button for triggering cinematic presets, and smart UI interactions, ensuring the drone flies both smart and stylish. Let's talk pricing.
Ever had that mind-blowing moment when the
Mini 5 Pro with the
becomes
RCN2
reality,
controller
like
and
discovering
one
a unicorn
is
that does
expected
its
around
taxes?
$850?
In the drone world,
that feeling's
the
coming
Flymore
fast,
combo,
because the
including
DJI
RC2
Mini 5
controller,
Pro
extra
is officially
batteries,
confirmed,
accessories,
and it's a
will
total
likely
game changer
retail
in the
near
Sub-250G category. Think of it as portability
price
on
positioning
steroids.
slots
First
it
things
between
first,
the Mini 4 Pro
certification
and the Air
paperwork
3S
is
lineup,
out, and
making
making
it
it appealing for
disappoint.
both serious
We're talking a
enthusiasts
nearly
and
4,700
semi-professional
milliamp
filmmakers
hours
alike.
battery.
If
Seriously,
DJI delivers
this
on
dwarfs
all
the
these
Mini 3
frontiers,
and Mini 4 Pro's energy
Sub-250G
packs.
weight,
With that
50+
kind of
minute
juice,
flight time,
DJI
a
claims
1-inch
around
sensor,
50 to 55 minutes of
360
flight
degrees
time,
gimbal rotation,
and we might even get
advanced
fast
charging
sensing,
support,
and sleek compact
That's almost
design.
double the
The
previous
Mini 5
benchmarks
Pro
for an
could easily
ultralight
become
drone.
the
The
most
most
capable
capable
ultralight
ultralight
drone
drone
ever
ever from
released.
DJI is
So,
rumored to stuff a
what kind of
1-inch
creative
image
filming
sensor
scenarios
into the
are you
Mini 5
imagining?
Pro. Mountain
Yes,
wave
you
throughs,
read that right.
beach with
Unheard
cinematic
of
reveal,
sensor size
vertical
in the
flips for
Sub-250G
skyline
class.
transitions. Drop your ideas in the
dynamic
comments.
range.
I'd love to
low-light
read how
clarity,
you put those
and
new
detail
features
levels reserved
to
for
work.
much larger drones.
And if you're hyped for the Mini
camera
5
module
Pro,
also
hit
seems
the like
larger
button.
and more exposed.
Subscribe if you
likely
haven't.
enabling
There's
full
more coverage
360
coming as we
degree
approach the
rotation,
August launch.
letting you shoot
Let's
sweeps,
recap what makes the Mini
and
5
reveal
Pro
moves.
so compelling.
Previously
New
impossible
aerodynamic
without
full-frame
bulkier
design
gear,
for ultra
advanced
portability,
gimbal and
upgraded
obstacle
internals,
avoidance,
and
new
vented
gimbal
motors
design
delivering
promises
better
sleek,
efficiency,
fluid
massive
motion across any angle.
4,680
Couple that
mAh
with front-facing
battery for
lidar
up to
and an
55-minute
3D
flight
infrared
time
system,
camera
you'll get
sensor,
obstacle detection
enabling
up to 25
superior
m
image quality
even in
and dynamic
darkness.
range potential.
Add in
Stronger
360
vented
motors
motors
for
for
better
better
wind
wind
resistance
resistance
and
and
payload,
payload, flexibility
quick release
enhanced
props
3D
that ditch
infrared
tiny
sensors,
screws,
optimized
and
for
32
low-light
gigabytes
optical
internal
avoidance
quick
storage,
release
and
propellers
this drone
for
isn't
faster
just
setup
small,
32
it's
GB onboard storage.
For backup capture 04 transmission with 20 km range and full compatibility with DJI's motion control accessories voice control. Presets and dedicated flight mode button for smarter flight aggressive mid-tier pricing with base units and fly more combo options as the big specs settle, like the 1-inch sensor, extended battery capacity, smart sensing, and full 360 degrees. Gimbal, DJI appears poised to slot the Mini 5 Pro as a new ultralight powerhouse. I'd love to hear, which creative feature are you most excited for? Low-light shooting, ultra-long flight time, smooth 360 degrees rotations, or immersive FPV control with Goggles 3? Let me know in the comments, and stay tuned for detailed hands-on impressions as soon as the drone hits the market. And thank you for watching. Techno Trend Zone will keep you updated with the latest drone news.